Hands together, hands
Ano
together.
kita na outs pa lang isyo na matagaday.
Yeah.
Or to all the staff of Punjas tuning in this morning.
Alright.
And Vinod Patel, we say welcome.
On that date now.
Yeah.
Tuesday, Wednesday, today is about to complete.
Right.
Yeah.
So this day is the day of the Christmas, the 25th of every year.
Yeah.
We are looking forward for coming together as a family, interact.
Right.
In a form of way that become a reunion in our lives.
Yeah.
Some of us, we are lacking from moving from place to place, but we are looking forward to Christmas
Yeah.
because this is the only time we met as a family. Some of our
Yes.
family too
Yeah.
will be their last Christmas.
Yes,
Oh.
No, Kim Nili, you getting sick now.
In the name.
Okay, what should the father and the mothers do
The
when,
father
when
must-
they are apart during this time?
Yeah.
Should they call each other, video call every day, or what?
Better video call every day
Okay.
if they are far apart because remember this, mama.
Yeah.
If daddy is on the other side of the world
Yeah.
and you are here, remember what you eat is daddy's money. Pita tawag.
It
Mama
is
to
that
bata.
is responsibility.
Yeah.
It is that is responsibility to feed the
What if mama say, Daddy, don't call me every day because mama is somewhere else.
yes.
Daddy, please call me just twice a week.
Right.
Okay,
What's the problem there?
That's a sign of negativity flowing away from mama. Because whatever, this is
Negative
what
vibe.
because the more time we call, the more time we interact, the more time we conversation,
Yeah.
that's the more love we are when we are together. Because
Yeah.
if there is a principle enter or interfere in our relationship,
Yes.
that will can cause a breakness and the
Short
divorce of our life.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's like a normal routine.
Yeah.
Right.
We call each other. We call when you miss
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, you'll be
Uncomfortable.
uncomfortable. Hey, this is new in our formal routine.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, what happens? Okay, what's the reason when the tata is calling mommy and mommy say to the children, go away, go away, go away. What's the problem there, Dennis?
Because some of the words that daddy will be released,
Yes.
that will be not in a favor of a children.
Oh.
Okay.
Some loving
Very-
words.
Like what?
unfavorable.
Like what?
Some nabitataw naki.
Yeah, like
You are about to go to the occasion now.
Yeah.
Please, that belongs to me. The ring there belongs to me. That's our promise.
yeah,
If you think of our marriage,
yeah,
keep it nicely.
yeah,
Do whatever you do,
yeah.
but remember me.
Sometimes mama went to the Tangaura
Oh, yeah.
and the wedding ring
Ah,
Yes.
fell off. But the dada,
ah.
question mambota.
Yes.
Nakasa tugurmaya.
I
No,
want
no.
to ask you a question, Mama.
Yeah.
Did the prawn took it? Did the prawn took it or lail took it? Kau tanawura si kau tanandun.
The big question is that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did the prawn took it or the eel took it? Kau tanawura si kau tanandun.
Enjoy the Christmas film. What do you want? What do you want? Tell us today.
Because a Christmas Eve is on the day of Wednesday.
Yes.
Will we complete the Wednesday or?
What kind of question is that?
Because I want to go to the... Hey, John Kumar, Pita Tawaken, Mrs. Tawaken, all the way from UK.
Right.
Bungo na Radule
Andra.
and Mr. Radule, thank you very much.
Andale.
To everybody in the outside of Fiji, in
Right.
the Middle East of Fiji. Kung
Yeah.
naman siya Seloma.
I heard Father Sevax is in the country. Is in the village now.
Oh.
But he never went to Binug. He went to Matadao.
Right there. Congratulations po sa Mateo. That's a hidden blood.
Yeah.
To go beyond the reef, hindi ka utanabo.
We say Androbinaka to our friend Mita Signa.
Oh.
Right.
And all the guys tuning in from Tavioni.
Ah.
The Kanal of Fiji.
Ah.
Ito siya masagmay Tavioni na
Right.
matari ko.
Very nice si Maria.
Yeah.
Good morning from Nambukele Buserua.
Alright.
Alipat yang ngone rongo, Mbolo Binaka, Simon Mbanube, John Kumar, and everyone.
Since we are in the festive season, Dems,
Come.
the house will be full.
Yes.
Full of what?
But Dada wants
Dada.
to sleep closer to Mama.
Hey.
And the kids are there.
All right.
Where should Dada sleep?
Dada, please. This time, discipline. Behave.
Discipline yourself.
Discipline yourself.
Yeah.
Don't think of the coldness that can kill you.
Yeah.
Just think of what you need can kill you. Sleep together with the children.
Right.
This, we don't know.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we don't know.
Dina, Sarah.
Today we live. Yesterday we knew.
Yeah.
But we don't know what's in tomorrow.
Right.
We happy as a family.
Right.
We are we.
Yes.
Think of the children.
Don't
Think
be
of the-
selfish. Don't be selfish.
Yes.
Love them all together.
Yeah.
Some of the temptation will be coming
Yeah.
Right.
at this festive season. Some of the girl too will be there.
Yes.
They wants to come and meet us. Our tamale too will be there.
Yes.
Our old
No.
situation will be there.
XYZ.
Yeah. Be careful.
Yeah.
Right.
Be maintained and be
Right.
disciplined and be
Discipline
controlled.
in
Yeah,
your
yes,
head
sir.
and in
Yeah.
your brain.
Some of us,
Yes.
this kind of festive season, we will be going from one place to another because we a long time we met our tabale, we met our brother, we met our momo.
Yeah.
This is the only time. It's like this last year.
Yeah.
We drinking together with uncle.
Right.
Dina Sarah.
Wawan bagsaut kito sinisudo bata kay momo. O no to kayo abu ya sarabi non nana.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Dina Sarah. Dina Sarah.
Sa momo is listening from Soso na deba
Say I love you, Momo.
Thank you, Momo. Sarang hindi na kinasa undelo may. Nilako lako ni bitang kumak.